Hey YouTubers, good morning. I'm just doing a quick little scrap video, taking some coax back, a couple motors. Hopefully I'll get a little chunk change for these two catalytics and I don't know, a couple pounds of copper. So it's just a little run, my first run of the season. Prices aren't that great right now, but I'm hoping these catalytics will still get me a little bit of cash back. So we'll go see. Got my buddy Al with me. Should be pretty fun. Yeah, matter of fact, he won't get out of the truck because he knows I'm going, so he's staying. Alright, I'm in here at the scrapyard. It looks pretty empty. That's always a good thing. Let's see what I can get with this stuff here. There's quite a bit of stuff here today. Kind of just driving around here looking for a couple parts and stuff, and here's an old Cyclone GT. It's in pretty bad shape, but it could be resurrected possibly. Well, I did alright, 86 bucks. And I had 4 pounds of copper at $2.50, 2 catalytics at $25, and then some random other insulated copper and motors. I got 20 for the insulated and $5 or so for the copper, the motors, the electric motors. But Stu there, the old timer, he told me that if I would have come in last week, I would have got 30 to 35 for catalytics. So it's all about timing. I knew the markets were dropping, but I didn't know I needed some money today. So anyway, I'm still happy with it. Almost $100. That's good for a little run. For some reason up here in northern Michigan, there's been a ton of Porsches around here. I have no idea why, but I've been seeing tons and tons of Porsches. Look at this. Every one of them. Must be some sort of rally up here. And a Kia thrown in for a good mix. That's cool. Here we go, some more Porsches. Oh, here's an old Porsche. Here's an old Speedster. Them are cool as hell.